First of all, we should know what is the reason for disease. Metabolism, like chemical reactions, are a continuous process in the body. For some reasons or the other, if there is an obstruction anywhere in the cell and the chemical reaction process stops or malfunctions, it reflects in the body as disease. There are 6 reasons for obstructions in the chemical reactions. These reasons are natural. Another 3 are artificial. First, let us see natural reasons. Genetic imprints, that is hereditary. Second is planetary position. Third is natural calamities and climatic changes. First, let us think about genetic imprints. Parental genetic characters are part of everyone's as genetic imprints. The deeds, thoughts, experiences, and their diseases, everything gets imprinted in everyone's genetic center. One's health depends on the health of the parents at the time of consumption, and the mother's health also gets carried by the genes into the forming baby. Let us study about planetary motion. Every planet in our solar system is made of particular chemical compounds and emits magnetic rays. According to the planetary position on the date of one's birth, the biomagnetism is conditioned. The changes of planetary distance and angles related to the Earth causes changes in magnetic waves from the Sun and the planet. They affect the biomagnetism and produce changes in the physical health and deeds of a man. Let us see natural calamities and climatic changes. Man is often affected when forces of natural calamities exceeds one's immunity. During natural calamities like flood, thunder, storm, earthquake, etc., may cause self-transformation of biomagnetism unacceptable to the body functioning. As a result, the cell structure may get disturbed. Weather condition also can affect body health. Unexpected accidents also produces pain and disease. Artificial reasons, flood, thought, and deed. These reasons cause the cell structure malfunctioning due to short circuit. The electric short circuit that happens in the biomagnetism becomes the main cause for the disease. First, let us think about food. Eating habits should be highly regulated. Untimely eating will lead to stomach and intestine problem, etc. Eating more and eating less will have their own consequences on health. Bacterial attack is very common through adulterated and spoiled food items. One should eat enough nutrients and a balanced food only after digesting the previous food. One should eat the next food. Next thing is thought. Our thoughts directly convert biomagnetism into shapes and images, that is, form and characters. Sometimes by extreme happiness or fear or anger, the blood pressure will be raised, affecting the heart. Fear, worry, and anger are to be avoided. Biomagnetism gets totally disturbed when a man is under the control of above said feelings. Instead, if one keeps himself pleasant, cool, and calm, the biomagnetism functions normally. and it is spent less. Good thoughts leads to good deeds, which lead to better health. Let us study about deeds. Every deed also affect the body proportionately. Our own acts may prove beneficial, harmful, or even suicidal. Deeds affect the chemical reaction in the body. Overwork, consumption, more biomagnetism, and hence the chemical reaction becomes erratic. Less work or no work also may cause defective chemical reactions. Normal activity is the only right thing to maintain the chemical reaction effectively. One has to accept and experience the changes due to natural calamities and climatic changes. One can change the impact of hereditary imprints and planetary movements by observing, meditation, and introspection. If one can understand the limit of food, thought, and deeds, and maintain the quality and quantity of as acceptable to the nature, disease can be kept at a distance. So let us concentrate on our body